YouTube, this is the 2 Coolest 2. I'm doing a weather update for the snowstorm that's in NYC right now, February 24th to 26th, 2010. It is right now 10:24 p.m. It's very windy. I don't know if you see the blowing snow. It's windy. It gets real windy at some points. You can hear the stuff rattling outside. It's a lot of snow. I don't know if you see the icicles hanging off the shoe. Yeah, you'll see it. So I'm here to show how the weather is. So right now there's about maybe like 2-3 inches of snow on the ground so far. So anyway, it's about maybe I don't know, maybe they say about 5 to 8 inches. But sorry about saying I'm looking at something. But now I went back to 3 to 5 tonight, so I don't know which one is which. They're saying the total amount we should receive 6 to 10. So the winds are picking up now. Okay, now it just calmed it. It's starting to pick up. There's a lot of it coming over here. Look down there, you see nice cold and snow. Over here is cold and snow. So, okay, the wind's picking up. I don't know if you can hear it. Let's listen. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's getting windy. Wow, look at this. Wow. It's about a few cars in the road, that's it. I'm not really bothered to go outside to show you guys. It's cold and it's real windy. Maybe you can look down a block. This is Bensonhurst, 86th Street. It's one of the popular places in Bensonhurst. This is like the snow. It's not really like a soft snow. Like when it hits you, it hurts a little bit, but it's not sleet either. So I don't know what to call it. Maybe there's a word for it, and the YouTube viewers can tell me. Well, stay tuned for updates. My next video maybe for about 7 a.m. in the morning, maybe even 6:30. Expected 5 to 8 inches, so you'll probably see more in the next video. Okay, stay tuned for updates right here on YouTube.